Hi everyone and welcome to this new video about Matomo analytics. In today's video we're going to see segments. So let's start by a definition. Segments are nothing more than a subset of your data. You will use them in two main cases. The first one is to filter data, the data of your report, and as well to create some custom reports or to create some custom dashboards or custom email reports. There are some best practices when you create some segment. The first one is to use an explicit name in order for all your team to know what your segment is about. Then always check that actually the conditions that you define for your segments are the right one. So always look at the type of report you selected and as well use the auto-completion in order to double check the values that you inserted within the field. Then when you look at a given report, once segments are applied, always check which segments is applied, and if you plan to create some multiple segments, please use the API instead. Let's now see how to use segments within the UI of Matomo. Okay, so now we are on the dashboard of Matomo, and as you can see we have many data here, and there is one button here named All Visits. If you hover your mouse over it, you will see that there is a little pop-up saying choose a segment, and the currently selected segment is All Visits. What it means is that on the current dashboard that we are looking at, all visits are applied. If you click on this given button and that you select one segment which have been created, for example, let's say New Zealand visitor, you will see that the data which are displayed are changed. And if you click over this small icon that you can see here, which is named Open Segmented Visit Log, you will see that all the visits which are listed here are all visits coming from, in our case, New Zealand, because our segment is about New Zealand. Note as well that actually on this given report you will see the configuration of the given segment which is displayed. What it means here is that if you click again under this button and then that you go and you click near the small icon over here named Edit, you will see that the configuration choose for this given segment is country, which is the type of report that we selected. Then we have here the condition, which is when the value is New Zealand as for the country. You can create as many segments as you want, and all you need to do in order to create a segment is just to click back on this button and to go down and click on this green button named Add New Segment. Then you need to define what is the name that you're going to give to your segment. So let's say that in our case it's going to be let's say, I don't know, that you want to create one segment for Switzerland, for example. So you're going to name it like say Swiss, and you're going to select here the visit location. You're going to select the country, so type of report country is, and then you're going to select the values thanks to the auto-completion which correspond to the country Switzerland. Once it's done, just click on Save and Apply in order to have your segment applied for all the reports that you're going to have a look at. Note that in some cases your server configuration may need 2 hours or sometime even more in order to create this first segment the first time. Okay, here typically we are on a segment which is only visible to me, but I have the possibility to share it with all the users of my Matomo website, and I have as well the possibility, as you can see here, to apply it to all the website of this given instance. Note that when a segment is applied, it applies not only for the custom dashboard, but as well for any reports that you're going to have a look at. So for example, if I go here under the reports named devices, I will see that whatever the report I'm going to click on all the visits will be segmented according to the segment that I applied for my report. Note also that actually segments can be applied at the email reports. So if you click over here under email reports, under personal and under the administration gear icon, you can apply, when you create a given report, a segment. So in our case here, we have one report named Visits Overview, to which I can decide to apply any segments that I want in order afterwards to see the data segmented. So for example here, we have the general report without the segments, and here we have this given report with the segments applied. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and do not hesitate to practice segments. Thanks for watching.